Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to create digital products, or you have ideas but no design skills, this one's for you. Today I'm showing you exactly how to use ChatGPT in Canva together to create something beautiful, profitable, and totally aligned with your message. And I'm walking you through a live example, and by the end of this video, you'll see how fast and simple it can be to create a journal page, affirmation guide, or freebie with zero design or tech overwhelm. So here's what we're making today. A one-page journaling worksheet that you can use in your own practice, giveaways as a lead magnet, or even bundle into a full journal to sell. We're using ChatGPT for content and Canva for design, and both are totally free to start. Let's start with ChatGPT. I'm going to give you this prompt. Write 10 informed trauma affirmations for survivors on a healing journey. And I did that, and I hit enter, and this is what ChatGPT came up for me with. It says here are 10 trauma-informed affirmations designed for survivors on a healing journey. Each one honors emotional complexity and encourages self-compassion and reinforces agency and safety. So we have them listed there. And now you can adjust the tone, the age group, or the topic, and you can even write a journal prompt instead. So if you wanted to write a journal prompt, I'm going to write 5 journal prompts for self-worth and emotional recovery. 5 prompts for self-worth and emotional recovery. And ChatGPT is going to tell me, here are 5 reflective prompts to support self-worth and emotional recovery, ideal for journaling, healing sessions, or daily introspection. Now let's go ahead and jump into Canva. I'm using a free account, so no worries if you're on a budget. I'll pick a blank page, paste the affirmations, then add a simple design with soft backgrounds and a few elements from Canva's free library. You can tweak the fonts, colors, and layout however you want to. So let's go ahead and do that. So if I'm in Canva and I type in journal, and I go to create blank. Here you see we have a blank page ready for us to design with our prompts that we already created in ChatGPT. So we're going to go ahead and show you what this looks like. You go back to ChatGPT, and we're going to start out with the 10 trauma-informed affirmations. So I'm literally going to copy and paste this. So right-click for copy, take it up into the journal. Here we are in the very specific way that we're here. These, just so you guys know, is where the binding is going to go. So you have a visual of kind of like how things will set up. So we're going to come over here to text. And we're going to go over to add a text box. And you can hit the backspace button and paste in your prompt. So you're going to put it on the page however you would like to have it on the page. You obviously can design it in the capacity that you would like to have it designed. I do want to show you a couple of things that you can go and do. Let's say you want to change this background to a color more aligned with your branding or maybe your coaching. And you can come in here and double click this again, and you can make it bold. You can change the font in here. So if you have another way that you like things to look, you can come in here and drag it how you want to. And then if you want to go ahead and put some elements in there, let's say you want to use some stickers and you want to use something that's healing. Actually, let's put in healing hearts. So this is kind of cool, just to give you a kind of a design on there. And you are able to use so many of the pros with Canva and the free design. So you can go in here and you can play with it. You can go in here and go to different things, like, you know, maybe you're into this and you would like to have this in your journal or your affirmations for yourself. And you can just kind of go in here and create it however you want to be creative and make it beautiful for yourself. So literally, we're going to go to the next prompt and we're going to go, what happened to me matters, and so does what I choose to do with my story. So again, you're going to go to text, add a text box, double click it, and then you can right click your mouse, and obviously we're going to want this bigger, so double click always to have Canva understand what it is that you're working with. So again, you're just going to go in here and whatever feels right to you, something unique for your story. You can even change this to a different color if you wanted to, but that's going to be for another tutorial another day. So we'll go add page, and here's the next prompt. So you guys can be as detailed as you want to be, and you guys can make it tailored to your brands. And you can make it beautiful for yourselves and for others to enjoy and to align with. So you can kind of see we have the first 3 pages done, and we're going to go back over here and we're going to go ahead and grab this number 4, prompt 4. We're going to come back over here and we're going to go to text, add a text box, right click, hit paste, come up here, you can make it bigger, and then if you come back in here and click on it, you can kind of get it to do other things. So if you wanted to, you know, add some lines or anything like that, that might be, you want to add some where you can actually write something in here, maybe. You are the lighthouse. Right, so like just as a reminder to yourself, and to remember, you know, your own journey and where you've come from, and to embrace all of the things in your life that you're healing from. Right, so we're going to continue that process all the way through. My boundaries are sacred. And we're going to go text. Subheading might be a little bit bigger for you guys. So we'll go here. And then we don't have to readjust all of the fonts and the sizes and all too much. And you can, obviously, you get an idea of where things are in Canva. My boundaries are sacred. It is safe for me to say no without apology. That's a powerful one. So I'd probably come back into spirituality again. And remind myself that there are things in this life that, as we begin to journey and do journaling and helping other people, with coaching and stuff like that, that, it actually helps us to heal ourselves as well. You know, when I discovered how to do the journaling, I was kind of blown away. One, at how easy it is, and two, just the simple fact that I was able to go and create something that was unique to me, and it was something that was meaningful for myself. It really is an incredible way to connect with other people and, just show you how beautiful it is to be able to create a 10-page journal within 15 minutes. And actually, it's going to be a 15-minute, a 15-page journal, because we're adding the other affirmations on here as well. So that's a bonus for you guys. And you can literally see that I'm just going in and, want to give you guys a brief example on how to set up a journal and how easy and simple it really, really is. And again, a lot of these things are free in here, and you can come in here and you can just use them to create. And sorry for all the skipping around, guys. And watch how beautiful the product is here. Sorry. And if you guys make a mistake, you can, you don't want to use this one, you can always just delete it off of there. With this right here, it goes into it, and then you can scroll on down, and I think it says, actually it's the trash can. Sorry, guys. But anyway, yeah, so hopefully you guys are starting to get a picture of what something like this looks like and how easily you can do it. And I don't really like that one. Let's go with this. And we're going to go ahead and finish up here on this last trauma-informed affirmation. And again, you hit the text. I think it might be easier just to hit the subheading. It's just a little bit bigger to deal with. And then shrink it down just so that it fits in the parameters of everything here. And then just drag and drop. And, we can go on into, there is different things that you can add to it. Glow up. Let's see. You want to do something different and, tell people to have a glow up. And so we have 10 pages of that. Now, so let's move on to our 5 reflective prompts that support self-worth and emotional recovery. So the first one I have here, that I have here is going to be what would I say to a younger version of myself who was hurting? And what does that reveal about the compassion that I can offer for myself now? Which is a fantastic thing to do to heal. I've used this one personally in other journals that I have created for you guys. And, absolutely love the fact that you all are able to take advantage of those things. So, again, I'm creating a journal that I am able to create in under 15 minutes, and I'm able to go and sell it if I want to. I'm able to sell it as a course. I'm able to sell it as a journal, obviously, to help other people. And also as a way to connect with other like-minded folks. So if you've shown up for the video today, I appreciate you for showing up. Hopefully you're getting, hopefully you guys are getting to the point where something might be clicking for you guys. I am going to show you the final product here in just one moment and show you how you can make it a complete journal and how you might be able to help other people from using these examples. And again, guys, I'm not really spending too much time with like trying to dial it in, because I just want to show you guys literally how easy it is to be able to create a journal that you can sell on Gumroad, or you can sell on Amazon, and or create your own space that like if you're a coach and stuff like that, that's a perfect opportunity to really connect with folks as well. So, and if there's ever a value in there that you don't want to see, you can just hit the backspace and it'll go ahead and take care of that off of there for y'all. And so we are about to be at the last prompt here. Then I can show you guys how to get it so that y'all got a full, complete journal. So here's the last prompt, as promised, and you guys can do it however you would like to do it, whatever makes y'all happy. Now what we're going to do, right? We want to share this and we want to turn it into a journal. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit download, and we are going to turn it into a PDF. And it's best for print, just because if you're going to print it out personally, then it'll do better for you. Now, imagine having a full prompt library, with ready to edit Canva templates and a guide on how to price, how to bundle and sell your digital products. And that's exactly what I put together in my brand new ChatGPT plus Canva crash course. Inside the course, I do show you how to create journals, lead magnets for your websites, affirmation decks that you can sell, digital planners, and how to sell them on Gumroad, Etsy, and of course your own website. So if this video even gave you an aha moment, hit like and subscribe for me for more soul-fed led content creation and automation tips. And if you're ready to start creating and earning with ease, grab the full course below. It includes the Canva templates, ChatGPT prompt guides, and a full monetization playbook. A link in the description to enroll now. And I'll see y'all inside.